Hello all. This video is all about procedural writing. Procedural writing means explaining the process of completing the task or any procedure step by step. Here we have taken to explain the procedure of how to make hibiscus tea step by step. The reason we have taken this procedure is that it has got many health benefits. So in the step 1, we need to take the fresh hibiscus leaves and separate the petals and keep them handy as shown in the picture. Bear in your mind that we need to take natural hibiscus petals as shown here, not the hybrid one. Step 2, take the boiled water in the container and add the hibiscus petals to it. You could notice the change in color to purple. Next, in the step 3, add 2 spoons of honey. And in step 4, add a few drops of lemon and stir it. When you add honey, you could see the color as shown here. And next, when you add a few drops of lemon, then you could see the color changing to this way as shown in the picture. Now the healthy hibiscus tea is ready. If the natural hibiscus is not available, you can use the dried ones also, the dried hibiscus petals. So hope you like this attempt, and let's look at the benefits of having hibiscus tea. Rich in antioxidants, could help lower blood pressure, could promote weight loss, could help fight bacteria, could help in boosting the liver health. In this slide, you can find the information about my training. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. See you all in my next video. Signing off, yours Ramchandran.